Good morning, America! Welcome to Trader's Edge, Beat the Market. Our objective is to present a weekly recap of the TQQQ and what to expect in the coming week. The Invesco QQQ is the biggest tech-focused ETF in the world. TQQQ is a tweaked version of the QQQ that seeks to generate 3x the daily returns. The TQQQ has a long history of beating the QQQ ETF. The annual return for the QQQ in 2023 was 54.85%. Now, the annual return for the TQQQ in 2023 was a whopping 198.26%. Now, as the name of our YouTube channel suggests, in order to make healthy profits, you have to have an edge over the market. Now, stocks go up and down every day, so we analyze the balance of power and volume of sales between the bulls and the bears. Retail investors only account for 20% of the daily volume traded, as opposed to 80% of the daily volume traded by large institutions. Retail investors cannot influence the market. It's the institutional aggressive buying and selling that moves the market up and down. Knowing when institutional aggressive buying and selling takes place gives us the edge in our trading. We will focus on the TQQQ as a stock and its options. Every weekend, we will release a new video with a recap of the week that went by and what to look forward to in the upcoming week. See you in the next video.